Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can add a blank white canvas to your designs and projects on Figma, for example, to use it as a background canvas for better contrasting purposes. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Figma and start with a new, fresh, untitled, unused design. To do that, click on that Figma icon in the top left corner, hover your mouse over File and select New Design here. That is going to add a completely new design to your project. As you can see, this one doesn't feature any background canvas at all. But you may do that, guys, manually by simply adding a background rectangle as a shape. To do that, select rectangle here at the bottom or click into that shape tool icon or arrow down icon here to select rectangle. You may of course use also a circle as a background canvas or a polygon or star. It's totally up to you. But I'm going to use rectangle. You may also use the shortcut R for that. So start by drawing your canvas or background canvas in the top left corner with your left mouse. Hold it, drag it to the bottom right corner, just like that. You will see the resolution at the bottom. And yeah, release your left mouse just like that. Let me zoom out a bit to show you how it looks like. There you go. That might be, for example, your background canvas. So guys, if I, for example, left click into that canvas, it will be moved. So we don't want to do that. We want to fixate it and yeah, lock it basically. To do that, left click on your background canvas or your rectangle. You will see it here listed in your list of layers to the left. And basically, guys, to lock it, click into that icon or symbol here, toggle layer locking. That is going to lock it. So if I left click on that rectangle, it will be locked and I can't move or edit it anymore. So now you may add elements, components to your canvas and start designing your project and use that rectangle as your canvas. You may also zoom in a bit, zoom out, and there you go. Or you may increase the size or resize your background canvas too. To do that, simply unlock the given canvas here to the left in your list of layers by clicking on that icon here. Zoom out a bit, left click into your rectangle, click into one of its edges and resize it by dragging it. There you go. So let's make it super large. And again, lock it here to the left, and that's how you add a background canvas to your designs and projects on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.